I am making my cheese for my kale chips, and I'm starting with 1 cup of soaked cashews. I soaked them for about 3 or 4 hours. Even an hour will do it if you can, that's all you have. I also have a teaspoon of chipotle powder and a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of coriander, and about 3 cloves of garlic. 3 or 4. They're small, I'm putting 4, but 3 cloves of garlic. I like mine a little bit more garlicky. 1/4 of a cup of nutritional yeast, and 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, and I have a tablespoon of Himalayan pink salt, 1/4 of a cup of water, and 1/4 of a cup of lemon. I'm going to blend this in my blender. Let me see if I got all I still want to blend it a little bit more. It's still kind of, the cashews are not blended. And that's good enough. Nice cheese. So I have a big pan of kale here. It's baby organic kale. So it's about 2 bunches. And I'm going to put my cheese sauce on here. I don't mind, I don't like a whole lot of cheese sauce. It tastes just as good with a little bit of cheese sauce. And something I do at this point, I roll up my sleeves. And if you want to, you can put gloves on. I just kind of wipe that off. And then you can see the inside is still a lot in there. I take some of my kale and I put it in there and I just rub the sides. It gets more out. Okay, so I have my cheese sauce in here. And I'm just going to rub it around. I do it in a big pot, that way none of it goes flying out of the pot. And that is good. If you liked more cheese sauce, you'd only put maybe 1 bunch of kale in here. But this works great. I'll put it on my dehydrator sheets. Let's see. I'll just put it on my dehydrator sheet. Spread it out. It'll take about 8 or 9, maybe 12 hours to do this. So there are Chipotle kale chips, and they are so good. They will not make it out of the dehydrator to store in my house. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.